My name is Nikita Gupta. I am an NLP practitioner, law of attraction coach, and Ho'oponopono healer. Today, we will be talking about lucky girl syndrome. So, every day you're getting up, you're having that same routine. Every day you're cribbing about life. You say, I'm unlucky, I'm not worth it. Every day you're just degrading yourself. You're talking bad about yourself. And every day, you just feel that you're not good enough, you're not worth it. You started aligning the situation around you because your mind activated and it just filter the information which actually shows you that you're not good enough, you're not worth it, and universe don't support you. So this automatically started shifting outside in the outer world because your mind filtered the information. It started filtering and started showing you in your outer reality. So that is a reason, that is your, because of your inner reality, your outer reality started shifting and you started aligning the situation. You started aligning the people who actually make you believe that you're not good enough, who started behaving like with you, who started taking you for granted, who don't respect you because you don't respect yourself and your mind filter that information. And that is the reason the things started aligning accordingly. What if you just change that narrative? What if you change that story which you keep playing in your mind? What if you recreate a new perspective? Just imagine how the thing's gonna change. And if you reprogram that, if you repeat that in your mind, your brain filter that information and automatically things started shifting in your outer reality. So that is the lucky girl syndrome. Lucky girl syndrome is not something where someone is so lucky and you're very unlucky. The universe is, God gives equal amount of success. How you need to enhance, you need to believe in yourself. God always supports you. It's just your belief, it's just your inner thought which actually stepping you back. If you're not helping yourself, you can't expect universe to help you. So this is the same thing which is happening in your life. And if you perceive and if you believe that you're very unlucky, things are not working in your favor, you started aligning the similar situation which actually shows you're very unlucky. But if someone having a lucky girl syndrome, they started believing that they are very lucky, you know what they do? They actually started filtering the thoughts and they actually focus on the things which actually goes in their favor and which actually favors them, and they turn out, they believe that they are lucky. That is the reason the things started aligning in their favor, and their brain automatically filter that thoughts, their RAS automatically pick that thoughts and automatically create a new neural pathway in their brain which actually makes them believe that they are lucky, because they filter that lucky things, they filter the things only which happen is not aligning in their favor, which is not aligning. But what generally the humans do, they focus only on negative, they focus only on the things which are bad. They don't focus 80% good things are happening in their life, they only focus that 20% and they're cribbing about it. But the person who have a lucky girl syndrome, if even a small thing happen, they believe they are very lucky, and because of that, their RAS picked that information and it just started filtering out in their brain. And automatically, their brain reprogrammed with this subconscious belief that they are lucky. This is called as lucky girl syndrome. Whenever you started creating a new story and you started believing that you are lucky and things started favoring you in your life, that automatically universe align the similar situation, similar people who make you believe that you're lucky and you deserve everything. So, if you want to change and if you want to have this lucky girl syndrome, start believing that you're lucky, start aligning with the situation which always works in your favor. Start always have the balanced perspective in your life. Start seeing the things in both sides, not only so much negative, not only so much positive. If you start focusing and aligning in such a way, and you create a new narrative, you create a new story in your mind, the things started automatically aligning in your favor. And that's the way you become lucky girl. And the things started shifting, the life started shifting, and you started manifesting better things in your life. Start doing it from tomorrow, and let me know what kind of a results you will be getting in your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, see you. Bye bye. And if you need one-on-one session, I do take personal sessions as well. Do follow me, do subscribe to my channel, and there is a link in the bio. Please connect with me if you need anything one-on-one.